Ever needed cash in a pinch and wondered, can I just whip out my Cash App card at Walmart and grab some green? Well, let's dive into that. We all know Cash App is a game changer. You can send and receive money, invest, and even buy Bitcoin. But when it comes to straight up cash, things can get a little tricky. So, can you actually use your Cash App card to withdraw money at the good old Walmart? The short answer is, it depends. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what a Cash App card actually is. It's essentially a debit card linked to your Cash App balance. You can use it for purchases just like any other debit card. But can you use it to withdraw cash like an ATM card? That's where things get interesting. Traditionally, you couldn't withdraw cash from your Cash App card at Walmart. It wasn't set up to function as a traditional ATM card. But the world of finance is always changing, and Cash App has been making moves to improve its services. So, what's the deal now? Well, there are a couple of ways to get cash from your Cash App at Walmart. Walmart Cash. Walmart offers a service called Walmart Cash. It's essentially a digital wallet that you can load money onto and then withdraw cash at the store. You can link your Cash App to Walmart Cash and transfer funds between the two. Once the money is in your Walmart Cash account, you can withdraw it at the customer service desk. ATM withdrawals. While you couldn't directly withdraw from your Cash App card at a Walmart register, you can use it at Walmart ATMs. These ATMs are typically located inside the store. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with ATM withdrawals, so it's always a good idea to check the Cash App or website for the most current information. Now, let's talk about fees. Cash App can be pretty transparent about its fees, but it's always a good idea to double-check. There might be fees associated with loading money onto Walmart Cash, withdrawing cash from Walmart Cash, and ATM fees. It's essential to weigh these fees against the convenience of getting cash at Walmart. Also, keep in mind that there might be limits on how much cash you can withdraw at once or within a specific period. These limits can vary depending on your Cash App account status and Walmart's policies. So, to recap, you can't directly withdraw cash from your Cash App card at a Walmart register. You can use Walmart Cash to transfer money from your Cash App and then withdraw cash at the customer service desk. You can use your Cash App card at Walmart ATMs, but be aware of potential fees. Always check the Cash App or website for the most up-to-date information on fees, limits, and any changes to their services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.